Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. Chris, thanks a lot for everything. I'm 3 or 4 months in the group. I've turned $4,000 into 65 grand. 65 G's out of 4,000. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys to smash a like button for me, subscribe to the channel. Jumping right into the market today in crypto. Bitcoin. This is a bearish scenario we talked about yesterday. 8,400 people saw this video. I only got 829 likes. Guys, 1,000 likes a video. That's the goal. I've been doing this for years for you. Years. There's no commercials besides the trading group in these videos. Smash the like button for me. $30,000 Bitcoin. Here we are. Now, let's dive deep into these charts and figure out, hey, are we headed lower? Are we going to see a Bitcoin aftershock? So this is a 4-hour idea. Descending triangle. This is a bearish pattern. 64% chance it breaks to the downside. However, the bulls can show up and put in a bounce here, and then we head to the upper trend line. Or this could turn into like a falling wedge, if you will. You know, if the price action continues lower. I mean, you have to know, like, you've got support down here around 29,000, 27,500, 26,300, 24,909. There's support down here, okay? If you took some losses today, join the club, because pretty much anybody that was holding or long in any of these cryptos took losses, right? Just part of it. You've got to be able to take a 30% pullback and look for the buying opportunities in order to reap the benefits of 3,000% gains. Like, we're going to see phenomenal upside in this market. It's a bull run. This is not the bear market. This is, hey, buy the dip. It's dip buying season. Now you got to be smart about it. Don't go all in. Wait for the pullbacks. Dollar cost average. How low is this going to go? We're going to talk about a bunch of altcoin setups, different ideas, what's going on in the market, some stuff going on in the United States. It might be a challenge for crypto and Bitcoin enthusiasts as far as the government goes. Boom, 5-minute chart. Yesterday we talked about, hey, bulls need to show up here. Well, guess what? They didn't. Support broke. And so if support breaks, your next group of buyers is right here, and it didn't happen. They weren't able to buy up the dip. Here we are. Is this $30,000 level going to hold? This is where the buyers are at, right here. So you got this little bounce off this level, okay? If it doesn't hold, you're looking for more downside. All right, real quick, Bitcoin update, just because it's fallen considerably since we started this video. I'm looking at this idea. Could this become a giant bull flag? So I'm watching this $29,000 support level. The next level down would be about 27,800. And again, there's some support here, and potentially this could be a lower trend line. I mean, it's perfectly parallel with the upper trend line. And so will this be the final bounce area for Bitcoin down here in this green circle? Let's see what happens. Your RSI is close to oversold. This is only the 1-hour time frame. It would be, potentially if it continued lower, you'd put in, and a bounce at double bottom on the RSI. So all eyes on Bitcoin. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person stated, I'm in your group now for 1 week. I'm up $4,000 plus. This person, He didn't nail the bottom, but he nailed the top. He made $1,200 while he slept. I'm telling you, this group is amazing. I got a team, 4,000 sets of eyes watching this market. It's amazing. This person started watching the signals, started placing tiny buys, and in a week, he turned his Bitcoin from not even a whole Bitcoin, 0.86 Bitcoin, to 1.38 Bitcoin. I did the math on it. He made $18,000 in a week. The bottom line is this: if you continue to get caught up in these pullbacks with these cryptocurrencies, you want to learn how to take profits, you want to learn how to set stop losses, you want to learn how to tether, you want to learn how to buy oversold bounces, I can teach you all of this. There's a point in this market where you've had enough and you're just ready to learn how this market really works. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, if you pay in crypto right now, it's 50% off. So go to my website, cryptorev.net. This is the saving grace for all of us. This is altcoin season from July and August. Early part of June, July, August. Okay, 3 months. And you can see when Bitcoin dominance is trending lower. I'm about to show you some charts where you're going to see like 7x gains, 10x gains in a couple months. So you lose 15, 20% here. And then, boom, you hit some 7, 10x profits out of these small caps. Everything's about to change potentially. We want to see altcoin season where Bitcoin dominance continues to the downside. Like, we've already had a pretty nice altcoin season. Like, this has all been pretty good. But the continuation of altcoin season, or the money flow into the smaller and mid caps, as Bitcoin pulled back, and that's part of it. To get the altcoin season we want, Bitcoin has to pull back, right? This is how this market works. We needed this pullback. Now, here's an example. Here's Anchor, last altcoin season. It was 20 Satoshis. In 2.5 months, it was up 140 Satoshis, 700% profits out of Anchor. And then, this is a reason why it's really tough for me to hold altcoins for extended period of times. Then it pulled back all the way back down to 20 sats. Like, imagine seeing 700% gains and then giving it all back. The market will take your profits if you don't. Had a 50% pump actually yesterday. These BTC pairs were on fire today. There was a huge list of double-digit green altcoins, BTC pairs. Right? It's easy to outperform Bitcoin when Bitcoin's moving lower. Over the last few months, Bitcoin's been pumping. And so these all BTC pairs have been beaten down and gotten wrecked. So let's see if they recover. Look for some altcoin season. So the money flow in crypto, just a reminder, all the new money comes in, fiat on board, right? They get the fiat and then they buy Bitcoin. And then they start to fall in love with the large caps. But what happens is people will, after they take Bitcoin profits, whales, pro traders, then the money starts to trickle into the large caps, which it did. And now, potentially, depending on Bitcoin dominance, which we're going to talk about, we're going to look for these mid caps, low caps, and micro caps to explode. Most of us know the legend. The legend. It's a legend. It's happened one time ever. 2017 altcoin season. We have an amazing, epic altcoin season coming. These small and micro caps and mid caps are going to explode. They're beaten down. They've been destroyed. Hang in there. We got life-changing money, baby, coming. Link, focus, Grayscale, filing hints at upcoming CHAINLINK trust for institutional investors. Imagine what CHAINLINK's going to do when institutions start loading up on CHAINLINK. And then even down here, this is from a government website, even talks about basic attention token trust, Bitcoin Cash. Obviously, they've got GBTC or Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, Chainlink Trust, Mana, Ethereum Classic, Ethereum, Filecoin, Zen. So interested to see XLM even, Tezos, XRP, Zcash. So listen, what this does is it opens up the market that we know and love to traditional markets, right? You can buy these on the stock exchange, right? Grayscale, life-changing money. So if you look, Bella Protocol had a bunch of news yesterday, and it's going to be listed on Loopring. There's liquidity mining round with Loopring that's happening, and so I picked up on this news, and Bella was one of the top gainers in Binance Smart Chain. Previously, Alpha had just pumped, so I posted this setup. Bella, BTC, even through all this Bitcoin nonsense, shenanigans, 30% profits in one day. In one day. Again, this person reached out and he said, there's 54 double-digit green altcoins, alt BTC pairs on Binance. The roadmap for 2021 came out for Beam Privacy. Again, privacy and confidential DeFi front and center, they said. Keep an eye on Beam. So it's going to add cold storage via the Samsung wallet, which we talked about. They've got decentralized portfolio management down here with the DEX network. It's going to use Elrond to scale and reduce costs for their asset management. Elrond's mainnet upgrade is in progress. They're adding smart contracts, meta transactions, 111 new features, 47 bug fixes. This goes live on the 26th. Let's go over this setup real quick. This kind of reminds me of Sushi. Sushi had amazing upside, and this is EGLD BTC. Okay, so if Bitcoin moves higher, then, or bounces, then you're looking potentially at EGLD USDT. Okay, that's going to perform best. This will do well if Bitcoin slowly moves lower or just does nothing. And that's what altcoin enthusiasts are looking for these BTC charts to play out. So this cup and handle, the targets on this thing are epic. It's going to take months to play out, but I'm just saying, this is a bullish reversal pattern. Here we go. EGLD. Put it on your map. Just want to cover this. This is RDN BTC setup. The point is, I want you to understand this yellow line. It's a 200 SMA. I want you to notice on the charts how this is a magnet for the price action. A lot of times you'll get these pumps. They run up and they hit the 200, run up and hit the 200. Okay? It's like a magnet for the price action. And then as soon as the price action starts to break above the 200, I like the 4-hour chart with this idea. Okay? As soon as you start to see this, you're going to have a golden cross coming. You're going to have a bunch of bullish follow through because all your moving averages are about to cross bullish above the 200. Okay, so RDN, putting it on your radar. Price action is breaking and essentially small bull pennant on the 4-hour time frame. This lady, oh man, buy Bitcoin. So last night, I got this news. President Biden just introduced a regulatory freeze on Mnuchin's crypto proposal on unhosted wallets. So previously, they wanted all kinds of KYC DNA samples on every single wallet there is. You have a software wallet on your phone, you have a hardware wallet, whatever. Mnuchin was trying to, had a proposal for KYC on every wallet in existence, basically. And so down here it states Joe Biden froze all the agency rulemaking. So put a freeze on these controversial unhosted wallets KYC. So just to give you an idea what was frozen. So the exchanges would be required to store your names and addresses for customers transferring over 3,000 in crypto per day to private crypto wallets. If you had a transaction of 10,000 per day, there has to be a report on it. So much information. Think about how many times potentially you've transferred 3Gs in crypto, or 10,000, right? These exchanges wouldn't be able to keep up with this paperwork. So now they extended the comment period on this, and it's frozen until they can review it. But my concern is this she's yelling, all right. I hear her in my head yelling. She looks kind of salty. Maybe she missed the Bitcoin run-up. Well, you know why I think she missed the Bitcoin run-up? Because this is how she makes all her money. These are her speaker fees from banks. This is potentially Biden's Treasury Secretary. And these are all the banks when she went and spoke at. UBS, $112,000. Wealth Vest, 90 Gs. National Retail Federation, 157. ING, PwC, City National Bank, Standard Chartered Bank, Citibank, Entrust, Credit Suisse, Texas Christian University. Her speaking fees are in the hundreds of thousands per occasion or event. She works for the banks. Does she look like she's going to be pro Bitcoin? Is she going to be at a Bitcoin convention getting paid 100 G's, 200 G's? Probably not. So this is something that we need to pay attention to. Altcoin market cap is pulling back, so Bitcoin must be as well. Altcoin market cap lost $60 billion in 2 days. Bitcoin dominance is climbing. Okay, so potentially you could get this bearish retest, which would be downside confirmation, or essentially you'd be looking for more downside based on this idea. I mean, you got oversold RSI. If this happens, if this pattern breaks lower, target's going to be around here, these altcoins will explode. Bitcoin doing nothing, these alt BTC pairs will take off. You want to let Bitcoin settle down a little bit. Here's a couple setups. So I went over Reef with you. Like, this didn't even budge. I mean, it actually climbed higher. Talked to you guys about this yesterday. Reef is good for a long-term type hold situation. Okay, I mean, I'm telling you guys, these cup and handles are amazing bullish reversal patterns. Bancor, look at this. Bancor, BNT. Now, this is a DeFi project. I just want to show you, I mean, yeah, you're going to buy the breakout of this bull flag potentially, but there's a ton of upside just on this setup. But let's go back. Let's rewind. What happened last altcoin season? Here we are, 2,000 Satoshis for BNT. What happened? Notice how the price action, we just talked about it, crossed the 200. The point here is BNT was 2,000 Satoshis. Let's see what it did last altcoin season. I mean, you're at 3x right now. We're at 7x, and this thing ran up to 23,000. 1,000% profits in 2 months. And so I just want you guys to understand, okay, yeah, Bitcoin pullbacks are not fun, but altcoin seasons are. And we need a Bitcoin pullback to give these altcoins a breath of fresh air, some room to run. You know, Bitcoin had an amazing run up to the all-time highs, and a pullback is normal. Now, listen, this is a bull market. Like I said, Bitcoin's going to take off again. None of this is going to matter in a month. I posted a couple ETH down and LTC down charts. These are low-leveraged short tokens on Binance, and they're mooning. They're mooning. I also posted a Litecoin down again. This is a short token. This goes up. You make money when Litecoin goes down. And these short tokens are up like 50% because they're low leveraged, right? So if you get a 10% drop in Litecoin, you might make 20 or 25% on Litecoin down. As an example, you look at the down tokens, 94% gains, Sushi down, ADA, 81%, Ethereum, 69%, 65%. Look at these gains, 60, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50. All these altcoins getting wrecked. And so smart money trades both ways. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.